Now we have from Sudisha School, Nepal, Kabindra Bhandari, who would be talking about the impact of COVID on the economies.
Warm namaste and good morning to you all the respective teachers and my friends. It's me Kavindra Bhandari of Sudesha School of Nepal, Lalitpur. Today me and my friends are here to share our presentation on the topic impact of COVID-19 in economic sector of Nepal. So without delay any our time, we would like to start our pre- presentation by giving introduction to COVID-19. The outbreak of coronavirus disease COVID-19 has been declared a public health emergency of international concern PHEIC, and the virus has now spread to many countries as territories. While a lot is still unknown about the virus that causes COVID-19, we do know that is transmitted through direct contact with respiratory droplets of an infected person generated through coughing and sneezing. Individuals can be infected from touching surface contaminated with virus and touching their face, example, eyes, nose, mouth. While COVID-19 continues to spread, it is important that communities take action to prevent further transmission, reduce the impact of the outbreak, and support controls measures. Nepal's economy economy is largely driven driven by agriculture, which contributed about 26.998 percent to the country's gross domestic product GDP in 2019, or declined from 27.59 percentage in the previous fiscal year. After agriculture, it is remittance which contributes substantially to the country's economic. According to the Nepal's reports by Nepal Rashtra Bank, in fiscal year 2018 to 2019, remittance contributed to nearly 25% of its GDP. Tourism is another significant sector of its economic. All these sectors are now facing an acute crisis due to the COVID-19 pandemic. It is now estimated that Nepal could record a real GDP at basic prices of around 2% or lower. This will sorely affect a country where nearly 18% of its population lives below the poverty line.
Impact in education sector. So far, data suggests that children under the age of 18 years represents about 8.5% of reported cases, with relatively few deaths compared to other age groups and usually mild disease. However, cases of critical illness have been reported. As with adults, pre-existing medical conditions have been suggested as a risk factor for diseases and intensive care admission in children. Further studies are underway to assess the risks of infection in children and to be better understand transmission.
Security. Over to Prapti.
Nepal had planned for the Visit Nepal 221, but due to the COVID-19, Visit Nepal 221 was cancelled, and the tourism industry of Nepal had a great loss. Many people who wanted to climb the Mount Everest, but due to the COVID-19, the dream to climb Mount Everest was gone, and many people were sad. Bad impact in agricultural sector. A rapid assessment of socio-economic impact of COVID-19 in Nepal revealed that the virus will seriously derail the achievement of SDGs if external donor supporters are not made available on scale indeed to fight the disease and its impact. Our analysis from the current study reveals that consequences will spill over to multiple SDGs with an immediate threat to two intricately interrelated goals. The goals are no poverty and zero hunger, and negative effects on all pillars of the food security, that is availability, access, utilization, and stability. Of the four pillars, the profound impact, in short, is In short term is seen in availability and access to food, and in long term it will impact all the four pillars of food security. Similarly, different farming systems are also being affected differently.
Conclusion. The COVID-19 pandemic has greatly affected the Nepal's economy. To address the challenges, the government announced certain measures while several countries and international institutions have provided some assistance. All of these efforts may reduce the impact of the pandemic and improve the country's economic situation. However, the extent of recovery has to be empirically observed. Thank you.
Very deep research. Now we move on our own